Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. I hope everyone is having a nice day. I made this tag packs last month. I was contemplating whether to post it or not because some of the footage is lost and I don't know what happened, but I decided to just post it. The footage that I lost is the process of making the tags, but these tags are super easy to make. I use my creative time made with love stamp and die set. I made sets for crochet, stitch, knitted, home bake, and from the kitchen of. You can use these tags all year round and not just for Christmas. I cut my pattern paper to 4.5 by 6 inches. I used Tim Holtz 8 by 8 Christmas paper pad. I used this paper pad a lot this Christmas for my crafting. I love all the patterns from this paper. After I'm done cutting all the papers, I will score them in half using Martha Stewart's scoring tool and my Teflon bone folder. This die set is from Cat Scrappiness called Fancy Scallop Stitch Border Die Set. I will use the pointy one here. I will place the die on the bottom of the folded paper and secure it with washi tape so it doesn't move when I run it through my die cutting machine. These plastic bags are from my stamp sets packaging. I save them for projects like this. I store my stamps in a sturdier plastic storage packets that I buy on Amazon. These are the tags that I made, and I think I put 10 to 12 inside the plastic bags and grouped them to crocheted, knitted, home baked from the kitchen of and stitch. I also use this die set from Essentials by Ellen called Holiday Words. I will die cut the words with red glitter paper. I also die cut oval stitch from white cardstock and I will distress the edges with vintage photo distress ink using finger dauber. I also went ahead and add foam tape on the back of the die cut words and I will just add those ones on top of the oval stitch die cuts. And I will adhere them on the topper using liquid glue. I used clear gems as well and I added 3 of them on the topper. And these ones already have adhesive on them so you don't have to use glue. These scallop oval die cuts are from Hero Art Stamp and Cut Flag Set. I have a bunch of these already die cut, so I save time on die cutting. I distress the edges with vintage photo distress ink and I will stamp to and from on the die cut using the same ink. The to and from is from Concord and Ninth Perfectly Pen stamp set. And adhere them on the back of the topper using liquid glue. I can't believe Christmas is in 3 days. Where did the time go? I will have one more video on Monday and I think that will end my Christmas series. I will take a break so I can enjoy the holiday and spend time with my family. And I have to clean and organize my craft space so I will have fresh start next year. Merry Christmas to all of you and a Happy New Year. I hope you like today's project and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.